Mercedes revealed the first teaser of the all-new GLC. New generation of this popular SUV will be revealed in June this year. From this teaser, we can see that it will have the slim horizontal LED lights with impressive lighting signature. Mercedes says it will offer 100% hybrid drive, excellent on- and off-road features, a fully digitalized cockpit, and extensive standard equipment, including the Avantgarde line. New GLC will have a standard-fit Firmatic all-wheel drive and special driving programs. Plug-in hybrids with electric ranges of more than 100 kilometers also allow for virtually emission-free everyday use. Stay tuned for the full reveal soon.